Good day, YouTube. It's Austin back with Killshaw's Geek Garage, and today I'm going to be working on my 2014 Focus ST. Just to give you an update on what happened with the Mercedes-Benz, the rotors did need to get beat off with a hammer. So we're going to be replacing those. I found a pretty good deal on some slotted and drilled ones through R1 Concepts. Then comes with ceramic brake pads too. I think like right around 300 bucks for the set. So we're going to go ahead and go with that. But today, let's look and see how to fix this leak on my Focus ST. So obviously you see the two little goobers. You probably heard them whenever I first started the video. This is my oldest daughter, Claire, right here. She turned big 7 years old yesterday. And Alice right here is turning 6 years old. So they're going to help me fix the leak on the Focus today. So let's go on ahead and get into it. Alright, so the leak that we're going to be fixing today is underneath the car here. Let me see if I can squeeze myself back underneath the car real quick. Roll it back. Got my little roller, so we're going to roll on back here, take a look. So obviously, if you can see that turbo line right there, it's a return line coming from the bottom of the turbo to the back of the engine block. Yeah, obviously you can tell it is leaking oil, so it has two 8mm bolts. We just have to pull those bolts, pull off the old gasket. We're gonna clean off the surface, put in the new gasket, and then bolt it back down. Alright, so you can definitely get a better visual of that leak right now. So, I mean, it's not really much of a leak. It is seeping a lot. There isn't really any residue on the ground. So, we're going to use a 3-inch extension and a 4-inch extension, both separate, with the 8mm and a 1/4-inch socket, because with the 4-inch you can't get to one of the bolts, but with the 3-inch you can. So, we're going to go on ahead and pry them on off.
What am I doing here? I'm longing for you, dear. If we could look to the stars, maybe life wouldn't be so hard. We were this close to another ending, but too far from the start.
Alright, so obviously you can see, got the old gasket right here. It is off and obviously coated in oil, so it definitely needed to be replaced. And the brand new fresh gasket that I picked up at Autonation Ford Katy. For reference, this is the part number. So that is the gasket. If you're leaking from the turbo return line to the oil pan, that little seal where it meets up, this is the part number you need. It's only, I think I paid only $3 for this thing, so pretty cheap and easy fix. Alright, cool. So we went on ahead and fixed that gasket. I'm going to run the car for a little bit, and then we're going to see if there's any leaks coming from it. Hopefully it's sealed perfectly. If it did, then we don't have to worry about it anymore. And like I said, that was a simple $3 fix that we finished up in what? Maybe 10 minutes, if not less. So super easy. Kind of wish I had it on my lift that I have at work, but such is life whenever you're in the driveway. Alright, so we can see the gasket right up there. No leaks, sealed perfectly. So awesome. Well, there you have it, folks. Super simple, super easy fix. Hopefully I get another 80,000 miles out of this without another leak. That would be great. Man, if it didn't leak at all, that'd even be even better. So stick around till next time. Like and subscribe to this video if you want to see more content like this. I do have some interesting topics coming up that I'm sure y'all will enjoy. So I'll see you next time.